everybody, it's Chantel with Telly's Talking Chalk. How's everybody doing tonight? When you are jumping on, say hello, let me know where you're coming in from. Like and follow the business page. Check out the VIP group, Telly's Talking Chalk VIP. You can also find me on Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok. I'm just trying to see if I can see my video. So give me 1 second. If you are seeing this on a replay, hashtag replay, let me know. Interact with the video. Let me know that you've seen it after the fact. We're just going to go. What's up? So loud. There we go. Today we are just doing an unboxing. I got another shipment in. Sorry guys. I'm gonna have to open this one because it's half blocking what it says. I don't see anybody joining us at this time. Time to eat. We can put that on one of our pillar stands. Or I forget what the other thing is called. The black steel one. Okay, you know what? I'm not gonna fuss with that right now. Every day is a gift. These are our A size transfers. I think this is a B. So this one, it's just our little hens. Dinner options, take it or leave it. I think most parents would need that on by their kitchen table. Kind people are my kind of people. I love that saying, so I got it. If you guys want these made up on anything, let me know. You can let me know the color as well. Howdy, hello, welcome, and hey. This one's going to be a little harder to show, but this is just a little hanging thing. So you can put one of those A transfers on it. Howdy, hello, hey, and welcome as our little boards. We can put those together. Then we have our little hens for our cutouts that go with the transfer that I got. Let me know when you see this, which one is your favorite. This is our Couture double-sided pedestal frame. Oh. Sorry, everybody. But this little thing. And then it goes on here, and then the thing that decided to make a big clunk is the stand itself. If I woke up your children, if you're watching this while they're trying to sleep, I am truly sorry. I was not quite expecting that. I didn't even remember what that was. So this is Couture Gallery London style white frame. Oh yeah, these boards are back. I feel like they were calling them something different. because I don't think they called them that last time that they were here. But these are my favorite kinds of boards. Although I think they only had it in like one size, which kind of made me sad because I have a couple big ones that I would love to put it on that. Then we have, this one's gonna be fun. This one, this is where we're gonna put like the welcome in here. And then it's just like a door hanger. It's a hoop wreath, according to this. So we could actually put stuff around on the top as bows or ribbons or whatever. And then I think this is the last piece. Yep. And it's a big bearded round. Or beaded round. Why did I see an R there? So yeah, it's got little, they almost look like pearls. Really cute. Put whatever on it in the middle. And that is all I have today to show you. Let me know which one you like the most and what you would like me to work on next. I will talk to you guys soon. Hopefully, God willing, Monday. I will see you on Monday. Bye, guys.